Hi, this will be a quick do-it-yourself Lego kit for leg extensions, as you can see here. So this is gonna be quick. I don't have enough time. Alright. So this is all made out of Legos. You can fully transform the car and slide it right in. The motorcycle itself is extended to make it look like there's a lot of plastic there to cover the area around here. Alright, so let's have a look. That's how it is. Rear. Side view. And rear. Okay. I start with the left. Or actually, my right. It's pretty sturdy for what it is. So you can fully customize this to whatever you want. This is just what I ordered off of eBay. So the most important part is this piece right here. So you might want to pause it and take a picture of what's going on here. So you have this piece, it's a 4x8. Then you have this, which is probably a 1x8. Like that. Put it together. Alright, don't forget about that piece right there. Oh, I'm already doing it wrong. Yep, I'm doing it wrong. Okay. This piece would be the one that's going to be shaved. That went too fast. So this piece right there has to be shaved down. Very slow. I would do it by hand. I wouldn't use any machines. With a file, you're going to shave that piece down. Remember, it's made up of two pieces. So if you're going to shave it down, shave it together. Somewhere between 15.4 to 15.3 or 15.4. think the original is about, let me see. The original is about, yeah, 15.78. Be doing that. That's what you're gonna be doing. You'll be shaving this side so you know have this slide down. Right. And here's the next piece. So that's a double 1x4 together. And here's another one. Okay. For the next piece, you'll probably have to buy 1x8, and you have to shave it down. Only up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Got this little rough. Yeah. Okay, what's a small area? 11.13. 11.11. Yeah, around 11.10 millimeters, give or take. Okay. So, like I said, you only shave up to 3 with the file manually. Should be nice and smooth. There you go. So yeah, you can customize this to whatever angle you want. This is just what I bought off of eBay, just a bunch of random pieces. Yeah, make it look a little bit nice thick cast. You don't want no chicken legs. Yeah, that's what happens when you skip leg day, you end up like that. Okay. And that's it. Thank you.